Hi dear friend Judy. Recently our company sold a batch of EA1280SP1 LED display screen. The protection level of this LED display is IP65. Look at this circle of this waterproof tape. It's really soft and elastic. There are also two cooling fans on the door, and the position of the air outlet has been also designed with some protection, which can ensure stable operation in some bad weather. What else do you need to know more information about LED screen? Welcome to leave your question in the comments area. See you next time. Bye.